I would definitely like to stop here and make a point of exactly what you just said, David. I've met a lot of people that bring me ideas, and or someone that has a hobby that they're like, oh, I can do this and make all this money and quit my job, and you just highlighted the perfect scenario. So making these cutting boards is something you enjoyed, right? And you liked it, and it was profitable, but at some point in time, and it was likely that you're an experienced CPA, and so in your head you thought, what the heck, this is not scalable. The math doesn't work out, and so you decided, hey, I can't do this. It's not scalable, and it's not going to get me to my goal of replacing my income to be a full-time business. And so that is something that anybody that has a side hustle, or that not only a side hustle, but a hobby, something you enjoy. And I think when you get emotions into business, it's to the detriment of yourself, your time. And so you really need to maybe take a step back if it's a hobby and you enjoy it, but it's not producing enough cash or it's not scaling. You have to make that decision. Okay, I can't do this anymore, or it's not a feasible business. I can't scale it to accomplish of quitting my job.